Hi everyone, this is Maria from ST Migration Consulting. Hope you all are safe during this time of Corona. I'm here to talk to you regarding all the travel bans and how you can stay safe or stay legal in Australia. Um, as you all know, I'm working as a registered migration agent in ST Migration Consulting, and we have a lot of clients sent to Australia this time for like us visitors or students, and we're getting many calls every now and then asking for various options to stay or travel overseas, or most of the people are panic because they don't have an idea how to deal with all these. So my advice to all of you is don't get panic, but stay safe and act on time according to the rules and regulations of each and every country. And from today onwards at 9 o'clock, Australia is closing borders for all overseas travelers, excluding the residents and permanent residents and citizens and their family members, immediate family members such as their spouse, children, or a legal guardian. And moreover, the other countries are also closed their borders. Right now I'm in India. In case of India, they are closing their borders for all the flights from every country on 22nd of this month, that is in 2 days. Likewise, Gulf, the Middle East also has closed borders for overseas travelers, and even the onshore people are not allowed to travel to overseas countries. All these nations are taking care of their people, the people who live in their country, and also trying to control this pandemic situation. So my humble request for all of you is to support all the governments to control this situation. And for those who are already in Australia in a temporary visa, and if your visa is about to expire or expiring soon, and I'm getting different calls from different people saying that our visa is expiring, so we are contacting our respective high commissions or embassies and asking for their support. When you're living in a country, the visa must be given by that particular country. So it's always good to inform your embassies, your country's embassies, and letting them know that you are in that particular country and what is your current situation. It's good, but for the visa situations, always try to communicate with Australia, because they are the authority which give visas to you when your current visa expires. So instead of going to the embassies, you don't have to go to any embassies or any immigration offices in person, which will increase the risk, because you have to travel in public transport, or you have to be in a crowd or anything like that. Please avoid all such situations and stay safe at your place. And what you can do at this time is like to apply for another visa. If your current visa is about to expire, apply for another visa when your current visa is valid. And for some of the visitor visa applicants, visitor visa holders, you may have a visa condition called no further stay 8503. So if you have such a condition in your current visa, what it means is that you are not able to apply for another visa when you are in Australia. You can apply when you come out of the country, but since you are unable to do that at this moment, what you can do is to apply to lift that or give a waiver for that condition. So you have to apply for a waiver. There is a form for waiver of that particular condition, and you have to apply for that. It doesn't mean that even if you apply for that waiver, it doesn't mean that your visa is safe or you will get a visa. It's just a waiver application. After that is approved, you must lodge an application for a new visa. So you have to do that. If your visa is about to expire, please do, and if you have such a condition, please do that waiver application at the earliest, as soon as possible. And if you do not have a condition like that, what you can do is like you can lodge another visitor visa application. So what you have to do is to apply for the new visa before your current visa expires. Otherwise, if you don't have a visa while you are in Australia, you are considered as a unlawful non-citizen. So which is not good. Instead of being unlawful non-citizen, please lodge an application beforehand and get your bridging visa. That means bridging visa is a visa which you get when you apply for a subsequent visa while you are in Australia on a valid visa. So if your visa is valid today, your 600 visa is valid today, and today you are applying for another visitor visa, then you will get a bridging visa that will allow you to stay legal in Australia. So so you can stay until your visa is granted, and when your visa is granted, as long as you have the validity, you can stay as a lawful non-citizen in Australia. So what you can do is, like, if you are panicked or if you don't have an idea what to do at this moment, and what are the procedures, what are documents you have to do, and you are really stressed, please take advice of a legal person, a registered migration agent or a migration lawyer, and apply for the new visa as soon as possible, instead of going behind embassies or going to unreliable resources or people. So please make use of all the migration lawyers or agents and get the things in track. Okay, and if you need any support from our part, you can always communicate to us through our WhatsApp, Facebook page, or our official email ID, and we can definitely support you. And I wish all being very safe and away from all the situations of sickness, and I hope you all are well. And thank you everyone for watching this. Bye from now. Thank you. Bye.